Welcome to Kestra, a scalable declarative orchestrator allowing you to scale all of your business critical applications effortlessly. With the option to write everything programmatically or directly inside of the UI, building workflows has never been easier. With a huge variety of plugins available, automating your favorite tools and programming languages is as simple as a few lines of YAML. Let's say you have a CSV file that you need to upload to a Google Sheet automatically. We can easily set that up with the Google Drive plugin. We can first download it with the HTTP plugin, pass the output from that task to our Google Drive task to upload it, and then we can send a notification to Slack with a URL. This is just the start of what we can do with Kestra. In this next example, we can take a JSON file and use a Python script to transform the data into a more suitable format. As you can see here, we were able to write the Python inside of the YAML, but you can also write it in a separate file and execute that as well. With that, we can then query it with DuckDB and then turn it into a CSV file. We can then upload that result to Google Drive as a Google Sheet. We can also add human in the loop here to allow us to approve it before emailing it out to stakeholders. Here we've added the human in the loop integration that has a simple pause task that is going to ask us to add a Boolean value when we resume, in this case to approve or to deny it. If it is approved, we can then use this if statement to send an email to our stakeholders. And we can get their email by asking it as an input at the start of execution. On top of that, we can add a schedule. Adding a schedule will allow us to automatically execute this flow on a regular basis. In this case, we have set it to execute daily, allowing us to get updates every single day. We can also add alerts, so if it fails, we can find out immediately with a Slack notification, helping us keep an eye on things without having to lift a finger. Let's execute this and see this in action. When I press execute, it asks us for our input of the recipient email, which was defined in our email task. Here I can simply add that in, and when we press execute, we'll be able to see it all unfold in front of us. With the Gantt view, it's really easy to visualize how long each task is taking, giving us a rich amount of detail for everything going on here. And as we can see here, it has now hit our pause, so we can now go to overview and resume this task where it will ask us whether we want to approve or deny it. We can actually go back to the Gantt view and click upload, and we'll be able to see that the file was uploaded if we wanted to check it. But I'm going to press approve here, and we'll see that it does officially continue executing the tasks as we would expect and does send that email to our recipient. And we can see that the email was successfully sent and we are able to access the data as well inside of Google Sheets. Kestra also has support for task runners, allowing you to tap into even more compute power in remote environments seamlessly. In this example, we can execute multiple Python scripts in parallel on AWS. And with Terraform, the whole process is completely automated, allowing us to dynamically provision compute instances on AWS as we need them.
We can also use PluginDefaults to allow us to set the same task runner properties for all of our Python tasks without having to repeat ourselves 4 times.
And as we can see, when we execute this, it's going to start cloning the Terraform deployment and then initializing the Terraform on our workflow. Once Terraform has been initialized, it's then going to start executing our Python scripts in parallel. As we can see here, the 4 Python scripts are now running in parallel on AWS task runners. We can also go to the Topology View where we can easily visualize how long tasks have been executing for as well. We can also go to the Outputs tab where we can easily visualize outputs generated from different tasks already, as well as previewing files in real time. And as we can see, all of our tasks have successfully finished and we've had a success message sent to Slack to let us know. Kestra is the single orchestration platform that unifies workflows as code as well as from the UI. Start using Kestra today in a matter of minutes with our open source project. Simpler workflows are just a few clicks away.